Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to Virtu Toys channel. Today we're going to talk about Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels. Actually, just got it in store. Hot. There we go. That's the latest Fast and Furious set from Hot Wheels. Fast Superstars. Set of 5. I think the one that people went crazy about is the R34. At least that's what's happening in Malaysia. Okay, so the Fast and Furious, we just got it in hand. We did an unboxing today at Collector's Cube, and I thought I want to do a close-up sharing with you guys in this video. Okay, so together with the Fast and Furious, the Hyper Hauler came out as well. This was a little bit of a surprise. Did not expect them to come out so soon in Malaysia. Okay, two new casting. The hottest one seemed to be the Bronco and the Sunny truck. Okay, but I thought this is actually very nice as well, the Lightning, and this is also a very new casting. Also, I think it's a very nice job done by Hot Wheels. Jeep Gladiator, this is the first time it appears on Hot Wheels Premium. That is actually very nice as well. Okay, so these sets are already available in Collector's Cube. Okay, we are on Facebook. Do check us out. That's where I spend most of my time doing Facebook Live also right now at this moment. Of course, the main thing I want to share you guys is there we go. Without further ado, we go straight to the point. I'm just gonna place you guys here on my handphone holder. Okay, basically that's what I do right now with Collector's Cube. During our Facebook Live, whenever there's a new arrival, we will do an unboxing session there, so do check us out on Facebook, Collector's Cube. Alright, okay, here we go. Maybe I can share you the card first. The artwork of these cars, I think Hot Wheels did step up. Okay, pretty decent job on these new releases. Hang on, sorry about that, let me just clean up a little bit here. Yeah, because my schedule has been a little bit crazy these days, the past year or so. That's why that's why you don't see much videos from me. So I thought, rather than wait and plan out the perfect moment to record these videos, I thought, I think you guys just want to see the cars, right? And the cards, right? Yeah. Yes. Okay. So I do have the cards here already. Shall we just check out the haulers first? Okay, the sorry, what's it called again? Hyper haulers. There we go. Hyper haulers. There. Here, hyper haulers. Okay, we did see photos of this coming out a couple of months ago. So this, I thought that US will probably receive it first. So I was a little bit surprised when our local guys were saying that, hey, they are already available for pickup. And I'm like, oh, okay, all right. So the first one I want to share with you is the Svt Lightning. Is actually very nice. The artwork is very nice as well. Okay, this color does seem very similar to the main line. In premium so far they came out with the red in Fast and Furious. That's actually very nice, and this one I feel is also very nice. Okay, here we go. Look at that. So this one, the thing about this is I thought that it would look a little bit more golden, creamy-ish, but it's not. It's more of a silver. It does look like it's more silver than anything, so I do quite like this in silver. Okay, I do quite like this in silver. Given the price bracket, you can just lose it and take photos with it, and it still looks very nice. So I think Hot Wheels really stepped up. Look at that. Look at this angle. Yeah, just imagine you opening it up. I know there are a lot of collectors who like to keep them in a cart. I'm more of a loose car collector. I do like to take them out to take photos and to take videos, especially to share with you guys. Okay, this is actually very nice. Look at that. Okay, so that's the SVT. I'm gonna park it aside at the back. Okay, gonna come back to that later. Next I want to show you the Sunny. Okay, that's another one that's actually very nice. Let me show you the card. Here we go. There's a card, Hyper Hauler. Okay. This one, I'm a little bit of a sucker for this Sunny. Slammed, very much hugging the floor. This is done very nicely. Oh, look at front. Oh, look at how wide and low it is. Damn. Okay, look at the plates as well. Very, very nicely done by Hot Wheels. Okay, the plate says Datsun. Okay, very, very nicely done. Look at that. This is the only second time Hot Wheels has released this casting. The Sunny, what's it called again? B120. Look at that. Oh, look at this angle. And look at this angle. Datsun. Nice, nice. Okay, and then I do like this as well. This little detail in here. There's a luggage bag, and there's I can't recall. There's a little story to it. I can't recall what are the little items in there. Okay. Anyway, it's actually very nice. Very, 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 very nice. Look at that. Look at how low it sits. Look at how low it sits and it still rolls very nicely. Oh, that's very nice. Okay, then we move on to the next one, which will be, let's talk about the Baja Bouncer. Okay, this would be a new casting. This one looks very nice as well. It does remind me of the Toyota off-road that Hot Wheels already have. It does look really close to it, but I guess it's not. Okay, this does look slightly bigger, more chunky, if you may, and I do like this spare wheels on top. Okay, if only they gave real rubber wheels with it. Oh, that would be crazy. That'd be crazy. Can totally imagine how fast this go on off-road. Okay, so look at the shape. Look how aerodynamic it is. Okay, I like how it comes without a windscreen. Okay, it comes without a windscreen, straight to the roll bar. Yeah, that's actually very nice. I didn't point this out during live. I just noticed it now. This does not have a windscreen. That's actually very, very nice. I don't think it's an error though. I don't think it's the first time Hot Wheels has made something without a windscreen. Is it a first? No, it's not an error. I just checked the other one. I don't think it's an error. I don't recall any other casting that is meant to not have a windscreen. It could be a very first time. Look at that. This is actually very nice. Lucas All Products. Very nice. Very nice. See, it need not need to be a separate piece, but it still looks very realistic. Nice. Nicely done. Very nicely done. Okay, so that's the Baja Bouncer. The next one would be excuse me, Jeep Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator. So this is the first time this one appears on premium. It has come up quite a lot of times on mainline, and I was made to understand that sometimes it appears with a motorbike, sometimes it does not. So this time in premium, it came with a motorbike. That's very nice. Oh, look at that. This is also actually I don't know, in Malaysia it may not have that many fans, but I thought that this is actually quite nicely done. Quite nicely done in premium. They do really spend the time to really make these cars right now compared to what they used to do. They have made a huge leap forward. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna park it behind, and then another new casting, which is the Ford Bronco S. Sorry, Ford Bronco R. Racing. Ford Bronco R. Ah, okay. See the real thing with the red R? Okay. Yep. It's also reflected here with a red R. This is again another one that's very nice. Again, this one does not have that windscreen, the windshield. Okay, that just show how fast it's gonna go off-road. Oh, look at that. 2069. Very, very nice number. Oh shit. So it seems this is actually quite popular, this casting. Oh man. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. I do look forward to see a few more of these. It does remind me a little bit of a Hellcat. Nice, nice. Okay, I'm gonna park it in the side, maybe at the back here, and of course, the main characters. Okay, the main characters for today, the Fast and Furious. The Fast and Furious. Okay, let's check out the Dodge Charger first, shall we? Dodge Charger, off-road. Okay, look at that. This one, if I remember correctly, is the one that flew off the plane with the parachute. When I saw it in the movie, I'm like, what the what? But yeah, when it made it into Hot Wheels, right, it's pretty cool actually. It is pretty cool. The wheels at the back, again, it's plastic. This time they went for transparent. I'm not sure why. Probably black would have been better. I do like that they have this hole up here as well. That's very nice. According to, it does follow the real thing. That's very nice. That's very nice off-roading. Okay. I think this has appeared in the main line. I don't recall. I'm not as up to date on Hot Wheels as I used to. Okay, do let me know. Do let me know if I do share wrong information. Please do correct me. Okay, please do correct me. I'm not that up to date on Hot Wheels as I used to. Okay, so that's the Dodge Charger. I'm gonna move next. Next, let's check out the Chevelle SS. Now the Chevelle SS, right? One of our neighbor has already made a comparison. This has actually been released before. Okay, this has been released before in the same matte gray. So he has made a comparison. I think the previous set was called Quarter Mile Muscle, if I got that right. So this was, because usually Hot Wheels, right, in a case you get two sets, but what happened with the previous release was there was only one complete set in in the case, and in the whole case, it's supposed to have two of each, and this one only has one inside. So that was a bit of an issue for set collectors. So now they have made this again. He tells me that pretty much it's just a slightly different shade of gray, which is actually very normal in a production run. The paint bound to be a little bit different, after, I think, how many years is that? It's quite a few years already since the muscle set was released. Look at that. Actually, you see, oh man, we're very nicely done Hot Wheels. Look at that. Look at that. I'm a little bit of a sucker for matte colors. So this matte gray really is very nice. Look at that. Okay. Alright, so that's a Chevelle SS. Okay, I'm gonna park in the side as well. Yeah, I think this angle was quite nice. Okay, we're gonna check out Chevy Nova SS. Again, another very nice casting from Hot Wheels. Look at that. Look at I like the colors. I like the color, the paint job on this thing. Not to say I like the color. I like the paint job on this thing actually. The metallic gray. It is simple, but it looks very premium, like the real thing. Okay, the two black stripes finishing off in simple black wheels like that. That's very nice. Actually, I'm not sure who drove this. It's supposed to appear in the Fast 9 saga, so I'm not sure who drove this actually. The other thing about the Hot Wheels cards, right? They do tell you where does this car appear. So that's something that's very nice. The Chevelle appeared in Fast and Furious. Okay, that's a Chevelle that appeared in Fast and Furious. And then the Dodge. Okay, and Dodge Charger Off-Road appeared in Furious 7. Okay. And then next, we're gonna look at the hottest one here. Okay, the R34, which appeared in the Fast and Furious. So this car actually appeared only for a couple of seconds, but just appearing for a couple of seconds in the Hot Wheels world, it's enough to make collectors go crazy over it. Look at that. Look at the color. Look at the color. Yeah. This will be the second time Hot Wheels released Fast and Furious R34 in this blue for Fast and Furious, but this wheels looks so much better. than the first release. Oh, look at that. Very nice. Very nice. It is again very impressive what Hot Wheels has managed to do in this price bracket. Oh, look at that. Nice. That's very nice. That's very nice. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at how it sits there very nicely with the rest of them. Nice. Nice. Oops. Nice. Let's turn a little bit. Oh, look at that. Oh man, look at that. Okay. Okay. To me, the next one would be the underdog, the underrated one, the seriously underrated one, which is the A90. I felt that it's overshadowed by the R34. This one looks so much better. That's my personal opinion. Because the orange one, right? Photos I've seen, I thought that they were in gloss orange. I did not know until I got it in my hands today, and it's in freaking matte orange. Look at that. Look at that, the side profile. Look at that. Okay, check it out from the front. Oh man, damn. Even the black paint on the hood looks different. That additional touch. I don't know. Is it a print quality thing? I don't know, but I really like it. I really like it. Look at that. Look at that. Oh shit. So this is the first time Hot Wheels has made this Supra. We have already seen a teaser that it will reappear in a Team Transport set. Okay, I haven't shown you a card yet, right? There, here we go. Here we go. Oops, let's just zoom out. So this is supposed to appear. Yeah, this appears in the Fast Saga F9. Okay, okay, all right, cool, cool. So this by far would be my favorite. Seriously. Which is yours? Which is yours? Let me know in the comment section below. Alright, so that's it for today's round of first look. Okay, as usual, do subscribe. Do hit the subscribe button so you don't miss on any of my diecast videos. Do follow me on Collector's Cube as well, where I do Facebook Live almost daily. We do have quite a few. We do have a few additional sets of these available in True Collector's Cube. Do check us out there, and do follow me on Instagram as well, virtutoys.mj. So that's it for this time around. Thank you very much for watching. Do take care. Bye.